How to redeem codes in Dragon Ball Legends. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to redeem codes in Dragon Ball Legends. If you have got those secret codes and you're wondering how to unlock amazing rewards, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the first step. First, open the Dragon Ball Legend game on your mobile device and make sure you are connected to the internet, as the code usually needs that extra boost in the game. Now look for the menu. It's located at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now, within the menu, find the scan code option. It's often marked with a QR code icon. Tap on it to access the scanning option. Here you can either import a picture of the code or use the camera to scan the code. Choose the one that suits you the best. Now look for a redeem button. Tap on it, and if your code is valid, the game will shower you with rewards for your code mastery. Collect them from your gift box. And that's how to redeem codes in Dragon Ball Legends. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.